Takes a lot of energy to start those. That's a huge left shot. And the right hand shot, Julio's out. And you heard Julio saying hit him in the belly. And down goes. This is some swing away again. And Bill Clinton. The best rounds. That's very strong. Looks like he's starting to pop a little bit, and down he goes.
You want to fight? The fight is not going to develop like that. You touch from South Africa? No idea. Nation in the essence of Red Rubber. Third round.
Steady combination. Back here. Tries to level, but he seems to
One.
Ang una sa ating listahan ay ang laban niya kay George Solis. Ating panurin kung paano bugbugin ni Manny Pacquiao si Solis.
This weekend now, they get both the families. He's in trouble and down goes Solis.
Naroon up against him. He's hurt. He's out.
It's over. Solis sent down for the second time.
Cinco.
He is on the apron of the ring.
Ocho. Nueve. Yes.
Two.
Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Julio, kung saan natikman ni Julio ang mapait na kabiguan mula sa ating kababayan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga binugbog ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Julio.
And by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio's corner saying hit him in the belly. And down goes Julio.
It was a perfect execution of what he was told in the corner. Double jab from left hand. He did it correctly. Going behind the double jab and bottom of the left hand. Hit him twice in a row. Second one. Drop.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Princess Iman. Those three touchdowns will in effect.
Three.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Hector Velasquez, kung saan nawala ang yabang nito sa ibabaw ng ring na matikman niya ang mga solidong suntok ng ating pambato sa kanyang pagmumukha. Ating panoorin paano tinuruan ng leksyon ang hambog na boksingerong ito.
He's got to get up. He has to beat the count. He has to beat the count. What the? Can't be safe by the bell. Does he want to get out of it? Four.
Ang ating pangapat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Erik Morales sa pangatlong pagkakataon, kung saan pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao na hindi siya ang pinakamagaling na boksingero, kundi ang ating pambato. Pinakita dito ni Manny Pacquiao paano niya pinasuko itong palaban na si Erik Morales. At itong hayag kung paano pinatawag ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Morales.
Nice counter by Eric Morales. Oh, that is a knockdown by Manny Pacquiao. Oh, and another beautiful right hook. Look at that, he tried to finish. Several shots to head. Morales is stunned. Morales trying to shake it off. But he's been hurt. Pacquiao is down. That's the fight. That's it. That should be it. Unbelievable. Morales is a true gladiator. The counter of Morales again. Again he's down. And the look on Eric Morales' face. Looks like he doesn't want anymore. That's it. He's calling it dead. He says that's it. Oh my gosh. Mario Lopez. I never seen that.
5. Ang ating palima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Lucas Matisse.
The best round so far from Matisse. Nice rebound. Which, I don't know, it seems to be paying off today because he's looking pretty. This is out, and that's it!
6. Ang ating pangalan sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang kanyang nakalaban dito na si Marco Antonio Barrera. Kung saan minaliit ang kakayahan ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano nga ba nilamutak ang pagmumukha ng ating pambato itong si Marco Antonio Barrera. Ang ating pampito sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang laban nila ni David Diaz na kung saan siya nagmaliit sa kakayahan ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan at panoorin kung paano nga ba pinalik ng ating pambato sa luna itong si David Diaz. Ang ating pasiyam sa listahan ay ang laban nila ni Eric Morales sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano binawi ni Manny Pacquiao ang corona dito sa Mexican fighter.
We thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does go back to the side of the head that finally dropped. Just over a half minute to go. Plenty of time for Pacquiao to find the right. Oh, and a beautiful combination. Now Morales made more than just a powerful fighter.
10. Ang ating pang-10 sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang nakalaban niya dito, yung higanting si Miguel Cotto. Ating tunghayan at panoorin kung ilang bisis pinaluhod ni Manny Pacquiao itong higanting boksingero.
He can switch to the answer attack. Oh, nice movement from Cotto. The Puerto Rican crowd has gone silent. There is no limit, it seems, to
Kung nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins na nagmula sa ating pambato na si Manny Pacquiao. Ikaw, idol, ano masasabi mo sa performance pinakita dito sa video ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo yan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin na mag-ingat, God bless. Pacquiao.